Hey guys, it's Blake, and look what we have here.
Yes, I put a crown on my own cat.
And
It's Things Vinny does here, everyone, and we have a
the name's Sassy. Sassy
yes,
cat.
This is Monarch Sassy, and we put a crown on a cat. This is stupid.
Yeah, kind of stupid. Yes, Queen Sassy. No, you avoided the day of his life.
Installing our leader, faith in the people, inspired us to build, and we love. Yeah, we put it on a cat.
And the cat's about 20 young. Oh, hey! Is that you? Sassy, don't go away, Sass. Sassy. Hey.
You're gonna be put on.
Yeah, put that on you.
You wanna become the new queen?
King or queen? Oh, that's Sassy right there. I thought she was only 20 young. I thought you were 20 young. But no kidding, you were still up there. Hey, Pumpkin.
Pumpkin, come down.
There's a little cute kitty that we made in the last video with him, the short called I'm at Vinny's or Giovanni's house. Don't be scared.
Pumpkin does not want the freaking.
That's weird. Sassy. It's a really sassy cat.
Okay, I can't get the crown on Pumpkin.
Bill, you're hungry.
I got the crown on Pumpkin's head.
King. Pumpkin. Okay.
Yeah, he does.
Bill, you're a hungry cat, aren't you? Hungry kitty. Aren't you, Bill? Oh, yeah, you little lovin's. Oh, yeah. Good cat. Oh, does Sassy want some lovin's too?
You know the fat one's there.
Yeah, the fat one's real. I didn't even call you fat. Oh my gosh. Wanna go to the camera? Hey. Oh, good, Sassy.
Sassy, you're going to Brazil!
What's happened? Oh, baby. Okay,
I think I can get the crown on Bear's fat head.
yeah. Bye, guys. Peace. Fat Bear.